can we quickly go through the case studies that you guys have sort of prepared?
Yes, I was thinking the same. Yeah.
Because we've not done that and we could not be a part of those calls. So we would love to like see how, you know, you've come out and also like gain our learnings from it as well.
Right.
So we have like 8 amazing case studies. I think like why not like walk through them once.
I think let's do this format. Every mentor, maybe you can pick 30 seconds. I know it's less, but
that's pretty less.
Maybe 1 minute.
1 minute.
Can we give them 2 minutes?
We built a strategy in 10 minutes. Why is it 30 seconds less? I don't think.
My boy.
We have super mentors, right? Like our mentors are no less.
Perfect. So,
let's give 60 seconds and maybe we can start. Who wants to come first?
I can start. Yeah, so I can share my screen.
Yeah, Shogunai. I knew. Always in the best form.
Okay. Yeah. So we talked about heads of our tails. And we started with the purpose. Everyone pitched in and why this community exists. So what is the purpose? Community will ensure that people. This was a very good point that being a pet requires a lot of guidance, and there should be a place where pet owners can share their experience and guidance with each other. That's why this community should exist. Audience, what kind of people we are looking at? Pet lover, surely, but something specific. Existing pet owners, surely, but also aspiring pet owners, because I just, we discussed that this is a brand community, heads of or tails. It's not an independent community. So it should also connect with the company goals. So a company would like to grow with the help of this community. The aspiring pet owners could be, and 5 membership. Everyone shared really good questions. Tanmay said, do you already have a pet? That is a question he would like to ask. That is a very obvious question, very apt. Sri said, what is a pet? Define in your own words. So why I like this point, because this would drive a lot of stories from people and good content for community managers to share afterwards. Let's move on to values. We were just discussing values when we got shut off, but this point was thoroughly discussed, that the key value which we would like our members to have is ensure that they gather knowledge. So, we could measure it in a way that we could ask them in surveys afterwards that when they started, have you learned something new in this 1 month, in this 2 months, in this, X time period or something like that. And knowledge was unanimous. Everyone wanted that, that is something which we should surely ensure that people should get. We're just talking about rules. One rule which came into existence in discussion was that because there's a brand community, and Kajal mentioned that do we want to allow people to buy and sell pet products? So we discussed that because it's a brand community, heads of or tails. So maybe they might not be happy with n number of brands, pet products coming into the discussion. So there might be a rule that this is a non-commercial community where we are just here to share our knowledge. So please do not buy or sell.
Yes, buzzer.
Okay, that's all from my end. That's all.
Who's next?
I am going next.
I'll just
Rafi.
Stop sharing.
Who's going next?
I am going next.
उनको नाम
अरबाब.
अच्छा हाँ आप ऊपर मेरे लेफ्ट में दिख ही नहीं रहा है. ठीक है. Done. Yes sir.
Right. So where it is, right? So we discussed about Decathlon, right? And since I have very less time, let's get on to the purpose part, right? So there's no question mark. So first of all, the purpose would be the getting more people to accept sports as a that sports as a activity. For example, we are online and all those things, right? So first thing is that. Second thing is to promote health via sports, right? Because it's a sports equipment plus in Decathlon you can also find the health equipment as well, like treadmill and like cycles and all those things, right? So these are the two purpose. We cannot have a direct purpose to selling an object, but yes, to do that activity you need that equipment, and we sell that equipment, which is Decathlon, right? And in audience, we have a little bit of that wide kind of audience. We write it everything like youngster having sports in interest in sports, people in sports industry, B2B selling, right into that. Third, or maybe that a coach, maybe a person who's actually a sports person, that person kind of thing. Fitness conscious people for fitness equipment, senior citizen who are fitness. These are senior citizen, especially able. These two audience are minor, like it's in minority and it's in special space. Whenever we can have that event, we can target those people as well to see like larger than life kind of event as well, right? So that's why we choose those kind of people are. And the third thing is people who are recovering from some disease. For example, they are not fitness enthusiasts, but they actually use equipments for their recovery. For example, I am a diabetic person, and most of the diabetic person use some kind of sports equipment as well into their home as well, right? So that's how we choose this as well. We can promote this as well. Now, 5 membership question is there. Which sports you are interested in? Do you exercise? Are you interested in learning more about sports? Those are for sportsmen. Would you want to take sports professionally or casually? It will distinguish between that person is a sports person or coach or not. And do you eat healthy? It's again around the health care as well, right? Now, we created a value called HUB, HUB Hub. Healthy, unstoppable, and better. Be healthy, be unstoppable, and be better, right?
That's
and
the tagline.
Yeah, it can be a tagline, HUB. For the community, it can be, right? Then we actually draw some rules. Some of the rules are very common, that you are no fighting, no abusing, no spamming. But some of the rule we craft because we know that, for example, this rule. Do not send creepy message to any member of the community. And it happens a lot with the female member of the community, especially in the area of sports and health fitness area, right? It happens. So we wanted to have a female, but then members suggested let's be a gender neutral, because we do not want to attract attention to that area as well. So it's neutral here, right? And buy and sell, it's not safe, it's sell. Buy and sell, right? You cannot sell your
about 30 seconds.
Yeah, you cannot sell your equipment and you cannot do a business. If you do a business, it's on you, right? Now we set a goal in 12 months, 2 offline sporting event, 5 city specific chapter, 20,000 member strong community, 8,000 active members, and 40% content will be generated by community members, right? And the platform we choose Facebook. And the last one, which kind of content? Fitness challenges, tips on diet, weekly podcast on sporting news, a right way to do exercise, motivation caption, how to use adventure sporting equipment video tutorials, 1 AMA with the celebrity kind of internet celebrity kind of influencer, and last
for diya like lovely. Khatarnak. And I guess if this was a pitch for an investor, I guess you are surely getting some millions for that. Nahi Nipun, don't you think? Like it was...
I think the comprehensiveness is amazing. Like
amazing, right?
Within 20-30 minutes, this is super. Yeah.
Crazy, amazing, Arbab. Nicely done, the whole team. Arbab,
yes.
Thank you so much, Arbab.
They all give very good input into that.
Lovely. Cheers for their team. Amazing. Who's going next? Varu, Vineet?
I can go next. We managed to finish the goal.
Cherish.
Cherish. Hold on.
So those of you who have joined, guys, welcome a lot. And we are just discussing some of the case studies that we did in last 30 minutes.
Everyone was part of this Charcha, and that's why it's called Community Charcha. And everyone has been into this whole journey, and that's why they're sharing this. Cherish, off you go.
Yeah, we didn't write mentor participants. I think we were just like worried about the time. हम direct काम पे लग गए.
चलेगा. Focus.
Cherish, अभी भी time चल रहा है.
Right. So anyway, so what we managed to do was, तो हमारे जो app होता है Headspace is like it's a guided meditation app. Unfortunately, the group had not used it before extensively, so I managed to give a little bit of hope. But great insights all of them gave for somebody who has not gone through the app. They understood the whole concept कि meditation based app क्या करेगी. So the purpose was to ensure, so meditation is like a self-improvement thing, right? So there you have to ensure that there is a lot of peer-to-peer learning. a lot of things where you dependent. Meditation is definitely something जहाँ emotional support चाहिए. So which is kindly, the major reason why we are coming. So the whole mental health fatigue, social proof of meditation, all of this is still kind of going to take place. So the purpose will be to make sure that this is happening and we normalize the whole thing. By normalizing, obviously the brand normalizes this, and then a lot of acceptance toward paid meditation courses come into light. Of the audience was anybody who is either stressed, war veterans, mental illness wale log, spiritually inclined people who just want to improve themselves, or just meditators, casual, जो सुबह 10 मिनट की एक meditation लगाएंगे, then they'll chill. The questions that we would ask them were, are you stressed? Do you have any mental illnesses? If you're aware of that, cool. If you're not, that's also fine. Professional occupation, to understand कि कौन सी occupation में जहाँ पर we have a lot of stress. Fluctuating mood, if that is a strong indicator. Emotional outbursts, if that happens, and willing to share that identity. Again, the acceptance toward all of this is not something that comes naturally, and people may want to hide their identity when sharing about their progress. The values that we are kind of inculcating were 3. Improving people's mental health at any cost. Inculcating meditation as a habit to sustain the first goal. कि एक तो improve करेंगे, then we maintain it. And the third is inclusivity. And obviously, the inclusivity is just, for everybody from whichever gender, whichever space they're from. Rules were, again, for somebody who's trying to learn how to be calm, we should try avoiding triggers like hate speech, stalking, spamming, marketing content. Harshila mentioned something very cool. She's like, whenever somebody's answering, we'll suggest take a deep breath and answer, which is so cool. And I think that kind of holds true for everywhere, everybody. That's something that we did. And goals wise, obviously the normal things, which are acquisitions, how many people subscribe, what is the engagement that we kind of maintain, retention, how many people remain, questions solved. These are so meditation based questions. Yeah,
2 minutes. 2 minutes are also
a lot of questions. Yeah, 2 minutes, right? Oh, sorry.
No, 2 minutes. They don't finish. You just have like 30 seconds. Finish.
Oh, 30 seconds. Yeah. So the content that we'll do is normalize the meditation and mental illness-based conversations. That doesn't happen. Consistency in meditating. A lot of people struggle with it, and everybody starts never actually complete like a practice. Planning your meditation journey. These are things जहाँ पर journey matter करती है. Success identify करना and compare करना is like a challenge. So obviously all of these things we'll maintain and we'll create content around this. That you are improving, learn that, accept that, acknowledge that, celebrate that. And platforms were in-app community, Facebook, Discord, and community platforms like Orbit and Comsult. Yeah, that's about it.
Perfect. And Basantika comment is also like Himanshu's comment is also perfect. Are you stressed? You feel like breaking someone's head. I guess that should be something. You should do this activity. Like whenever meetups are happening, you should do this. I guess that'd be amazing. Perfect. Who's going next? Pick the finger.
Chai point.
जाओ फिर चाय पिलाओ. What is the tagline of your community?
Man, there is no tagline.
Okay.
चाय पर चर्चा. आओ सब मिलके चाय पिए.
Cool. So it's very simple. What we try to do here basically is we took an example of tea as a concept and tried to kind of make sure that how do we bring together people and talk about chai, right? So what was the purpose? So there are a lot of things that went here. Basically, like one of our participants said, if you drink a lot of chai, then you'll be black. Basically a myth that is there. How should we avoid those things and make sure that it's good for health and it's good for it's basically those old age what do you call that kali billi samne se guzar jaye to what do you call that superstitious, exactly. So we try to break those things and make sure that it's actually good. And then the second point was take break from the exhaustive work, day-to-day work. So we have a lot of corporates, for example in Koramangala, a lot of offices. So how can we make sure that people are actually taking me time and have a chai. So that was the purpose of this community. And then what we try to gather as an audience was like in Northeast region, geographically there are a lot of people who drink chai. So can we also target these people? And then the other was students and college people who can actually afford this, and also like corporate employees or the people who are working at startup, can they afford it? So this was the audience target segment where we try to kind of focus. And then what was the values? Basically friendships and authentic connections with one another, apart from your family and your office buddies, right? Because if you're building a community, you're building a third world, which is basically your first family is your family, your second family is work buddies, and your third family is basically a community. So come here as a honest person, make friendships and authentic connection, and kind of go from there. And then we had rules to each other. So one of the simple rule is be nice to each other. Again, be genuine to each other. And then again, if you're talking about work and family with family and in office, you should not talk that topic in while you meet with other people. So you don't have to talk about work. You don't have to talk about family. You just talk about something else. So the only chai related topics, not work related topics. So that are some of the rules.
No good morning messages, right?
No good morning. Exactly. No WhatsApp
yes,
messages.
I felt you.
Yeah, and then
we are running out of time quickly.
Nice.
Then so the goals is so we want to make sure that in every street we have a chai shop, every street corner, and basically we have to do 24 meetups a year, which is 1 meetup, 2 meetup every month, and then we need to increase number of people who visits our meetups. And we also had to track who will drink most number of chais in a year, and we give them some chai award.
Nice.
And content is related to tea, how chai is being made, the history of like going to the farms and distilling and all those things for plantation around those content. And platform, Facebook, WhatsApp, normal Facebook group, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Basically Instagram has a big if you click good photos and put it on Instagram, you can build an audience, a huge, and then from there you build a community. So
done. Time's up. Over. Lovely. I guess it was very thoughtful. That's what I felt. Like it was very thoughtful. People, did you like what they did? Please comment in the chat box. And next, let's go for Varu. Varu, if you're done filling your belly, come, let's do the charcha. And yeah, she's there.
Hey there. Hey, I'm just sharing my screen. I mean, like really nice. I also took up Chai Point, but that's really nice.
Competition. Yeah. Let's go.
So I'll just quickly say it. The purpose was basically to collect product feedback and also tea tasting, like basically try to have both online and offline aspect of it, because Chai Point, we know that there are certain signature chais over there. So basically we want to understand what is the feedback around that. And let's say that there is new variant of chai, because for any, industry, specifically around food and things like that, right? The variants are something very essence of that particular industry. So the tea tasting part can also like help in terms of increasing the signature chai aspect of Chai Point. Now, audience segmentation, Azhar actually came up with something very interesting where we can have something around specifically around students and also people who are working in the co-working spaces, where they could be basically sitting, chatting and working together and things like that. Those are the kind of people who want to socialize. So these are the segmentation aspect of it. And values, here all of them contributed and it was so good. Creating meaningful connect, because let's say for example, when we want to have an event or catch up, let's say one person says that I'm not going to come up. Definitely if I have a connect with some other person, at least for that person I would be coming up for the event, the catch up or things like that, which means it increases the head count and things like that, right? So that is something that we need to focus on. Next is knowledge exchange of tea. Like, when they like I was just telling them, I had tasted like 72 varieties of tea and I made tea with garlic. So I mean, like, that knowledge exchange around tea is like, can be like another example for Chai Point to take something from there and possibly put it back into their chai tasting experience as well. Next is experience and encouraging to experiment. Like, when we say tea tasting, not all would come forward and experiment it. They'll be like very afraid specifically. So basically this meetup would be able to encourage them and basically like motivate them to experiment it. Rules, I think, on top of our head, two things was there. One is that since it's going to be more based out of feedback and things like that, it should be in a way that you respect each other, number one, and number two, definitely not promote anything else. Like, let's say they have their own chai business or something else, they definitely cannot promote it over here. Then you actually like abruptly cut me when we were talking about goals. So yeah, that's it.
Nice, very structured, Varun.
And very crisp pitch.
Yeah,
I guess you know what you were doing, so obviously, and that's where the right people were giving the pitch. And काफी चाय हो गया, like Nipun mentioned, काफी सारी चाय हो गई है, and I guess Indians just cannot stop talking about chai. So I guess everyone enjoy the chai. If you are not having, get some chai, because we are about to launch, and I would like to do a cheers with you. So if you have some glasses, that'll be cool, that'll be amazing, and we will then do the launch. And last is Vineet, who's remaining, and then Ankita is also remaining, who's doing like this, like I know this smiley. And yeah, Vineet, you want to go first or Ankita? Ladies first?
Yeah, as if you care, but okay.
Come on, bring it on.
All right, I'll just quickly share because I know everyone is waiting for the results.
Yeah.
No one wants to hear my case study, but okay.
I would love to. मेरे को जानना है तुम कितने सीख गए हो. I want to see
Yeah.
what your work.
So this is my case study for Spotify, guys, and we'll start with the purpose. I know how much people love to share Spotify playlists. In fact, in my recent research of portfolios, when I was going through personal portfolios of people, everyone now has social media icons and a Spotify icon, which where you can look at their Spotify playlist. So I think everyone wants to really share their Spotify, but they do not have a platform. So this community platform can be the one where people can share their Spotify playlist. My community members spared a lot of good things, like it should be a wide open community. The entire purpose should be that you are breaking the barrier, you are culturally mixing with other people. You can listen to Spanish music, Latin music, anyone, and you can join those communities as separate channels. Yash raised a very good point that we can integrate features that Clubhouse, like Clubhouse is doing right now. Many people are hosting virtual live concerts on Clubhouse, and imagine if this is done on Spotify. So Spotify will always have a heads up on this thing. So maybe that. Moving on to the audience, whom we would like to add to this? What are the questions we would like to ask? That how do you identify yourself? That would be a persona question. Why do you want to join this community? You want to share music, you want to support the community, or you are a music producer or a creator. Where are you from? Because we would obviously want to know the demographic, like if there are a lot of members from India, then we would like to focus on other regions. So that's why. And also I loved this point because Prerak said that our audience should be any young audience who knows how to use or who is a music lover. But then Nazima said that we should also target the elderly crowd, which includes mothers, teachers, and parents, and introduce music for healing, which is a new concept. I never heard that before, which is a very good point. According to values, this is going to be our tagline, that only music, no borders. That was suggested by Yash, and we are abiding by that. So that's why I said, like, when we go and pitch it to Spotify, we are going to use this, that only music, no borders. So this is going to be our first value. Our second value will be like part of solution is through music. Like whatever problems you have a solution via music. And this is going to be a place for music lovers to music creators and listeners. Rules, obviously, with music comes copyright issues, piracy. So we would like to avoid that. No promotional content. Channel for producers and creators. Goals in the next 12 months, what do we want? We would want 50 million community members in 12 months, which includes listeners, creators and producers, so we can have separate channels for them. And creating revenue earned through advertising and programs. This was suggested by Aditya, like we can hold concerts like Indian Idol, Spotify Fan Fest, anything, and also get sponsorship. Content, I think anything like how do you create music, how do I start a career in music. This was a point that I recently saw, that Amit Trivedi is recently launching a workshop where he's going to teach how you can create any kind of music using just 8 notes. And this is something that I would like to read or learn. So creating this kind of content. This was also a good point raised by Aditya, that music type can be around Gharana music. You know, if you're an Indian, you want to learn how to learn Gharana music, classical music, so all those things. And when we were discussing platform, we were cut off. So I just wrote something from my side. That's it.
Nice.
Paras mute.
Paras, you're on mute.
Yeah.
किसने करा मुझे mute? तो आप लास्ट हो विनीत और आपसे फिनिश करते हैं. अंकिता, थैंक यू सो मच. आपकी Spotify strategy was really nice and वो tagline was also amazing. And Vineet, आपकी टीम में.
So the other mentors have literally raised the bar so high. Just let me not share my screen because I'm joining in from my mobile. So we decided, I simply put out the question, these are the companies which are there, which one do you want to choose? So the team chose as Bira. And the purpose of the Bira as a community is to create FOMO around people, that if you're not part of the Bira community, you are missing something. That was the whole purpose with which we are starting this community, that you want to go to clubs again and you want to create the same chill environment, which we feel like when we are having beer, it's pretty chill time. All right. So who's the audience? The first question we asked was, what's your age? So if you are below 18, we send you to Bira Zero and the other varieties of it. And if you are above 18, then we have the other question, that how long have you been drinking? Whom do you drink with? Whether you drink it all day or only over the weekend. So basically, but the point is, it's Bira, it's Bira and beer and everything.
And if you are a nashedi, then join. If you're a nashedi, then join.
Exactly. Yeah. And what are the values? So the fact is, it's a light environment, professional and chill space. Nothing more than that. The fact is, we really want you to chill and we don't want you to become an alcoholic. That's the value with which we start. All right. What are the values and boundaries do you represent? So we did not talk much about it, but essentially the fact is, you are having a chill time, you're not intruding into anybody's safe space, and we are creating that space where you are coming over and networking and bonding with each other. All right, that's it. When we speak metrics, so right from the business metric, that amount of sales, organic growth, response from the community meeting, but one thing which came into account was, apart from the collaborations and the hashtags which is there, is that the company needs to create a property which can be taken up by any volunteer around India, and they should be able to replicate it. So like, for example, on a particular Friday of a particular month, we say that from so and so time that we are having a Bira Fest. So people, come together in like 10, 20, 30 ka group. They order 2-3 cases of Bira, which Bira gives a discount on. And the entire party is like put, and the hashtags are put on social media, and you are sharing it over all digital platforms. That's where we go in terms of metrics and figure out the impressions and stuff. The content is majorly created by the both Bira team as well as the members who are there. And what Siddharth suggested, that change the Bira logo and get a year worth of Bira drink for free. That's something which will get awesome engagement. The platform was something which somebody said like minds can be used. Somebody said Google group, Facebook groups, Instagram, anything. For us, it was like, there are different audiences there on different platforms. Why don't we figure out that what audience are there on which platform and see why they are interacting with each other, networking with each other, and having a fun time, and accordingly create the campaigns around that platform to figure this thing out. So that's the whole entirety of the thing. Possibly this becomes a great we needed more time to figure out the case study piece of it. So Paras and everybody, I am done talking.
Awesome.
Shukriya.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And I guess like I asked this question in the chat box also. If anyone planned to learn something today or thought like, I'll get some understanding of community, are you full? Did you get enough? Because I feel this much of insight which has been shared and so quickly, like, this is, I don't know, like, is there any place you get this much of practical insights all together in probably what, 2 minutes, 6 mentors, some 15 minutes? I cannot believe that you can get it. So I believe the case study actually rocked, and you mentors, you're flawless.